So we've only played 36 today and we've not had enough, so we've come to play some night golf, par 3, under the lights. We're going to have a skins game. Euro a skin, 76 yards is first. Remember, you've got to call it if you're going to take your shot. A little bit long, Dave. Ian's on the green. Oh, it's lovely. It's a spinny one as well. Back of the green. Linden for birdie. It's not there. Ian's got this for a win then. Otherwise it rolls over. Oh, unlucky. 2 skins on the next. That's good again, Ian. Yeah, it's on. Oh, that's good as well, Dave. No, it's good. Pin high, good shot. Made 3s, but Lyndon's got this for a 2. Oh, it's right. Unlucky. And still we go. Good, actually, and that's running on.
Birdie. Unlucky, take it away. Birdie as well, this is the hole. He's got it.
On the tee. That's good, just drifting a little bit right, but it's good. Just short of the flag, but on the green, yeah. Lovely strike. Is it there? A little bit short as well, middle of the green. So Lyndon's got this for a skin. Not hit it. Unlucky in the jaws.
Full wedge on this one. 85.
It's cool out here now. But it's a nice way to spend an evening. Good shot, Ian! Lyndon. I hope he shouts 4 if he pulls it, because I can see Naff all in this light. Once it goes above the floodlights, he's struggling. Oh, it's good. Nice shot! Put a bit of pressure on with this one. Just broke a bit. It's a 3 though. So Lyndon gets a free run at it again. Can do without that. He's taking it very seriously now. Oh, it's just gone left. Another rollover. It's quite difficult judging the distance actually when it's this sort of night sky. It's Dave. Looks like he's missing right, is it a little bit? Oh no, it's on. Good shot, Dave. Finally Lyndon. It's going to be a little bit short and right, I think. Yeah, it is. So 3 so far, but this is for a 2. Good chance, Dave. Oh, he's got another one. Brilliant. Raking it in. 99 yards for the runaway leader. Oh, it's another peach. That's it. Yeah, it's on. Good shot. Just while we're going around, just want to say thank you to Phil Rowland at Algarve Sports, who set it up this week here at Amendoeira, playing all the courses and everything it has to offer. He's been brilliant, so I can highly recommend him if you want a golf break. So this for a 2 and a skin. Dave's got 6, nobody else has got one so far. Dave's got it cleaned up. He's going to do 9 tonight, I think. Well done, nice 2. Nice shot, 55 yards. This, it needs to go a little bit. Unlucky. Ooh, a bit bladey. That's coming along. 3 might win it on here.
Well done.
This is the last hole. It's about 115 yards. This is our last video that we're going to do while we're here. We've still got a couple more days to play golf, but I hope you enjoyed them. Can highly recommend it out here. We're playing Amendoeira. Can't speak. Where's that one? Very short. And it's great. The weather's lovely. It's sort of mid-February at the moment. Breezy yesterday, but it's been really nice since then. So highly recommended. Day for another skin. It's trying. Oh, we might have to see that yet. Dave needs this for the half now. He's got it, well done. So Dave's cleaned up, he's got 6 skins, and Lyndon and I have got 1 each. And then we're going to tie at the end. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you very soon.